Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this Shark Rotator Pet Pro upright vacuum. So this is the model LA455. Now if you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So this vacuum has a lift away pod, so it's like a smaller portable vacuum. So if you want to vacuum your upholstery or something, you don't have to lug around the whole upright. So a feature that drew us to this vacuum is that it says power fins, continuous cleaning contact. It doesn't have the brush. It says pick up more hair with no hair wrap. So I'm interested to see how well that works. Then if we look on the side here, we can see kind of how that pod works. So let me get this unboxed. So it does have this quick start guide on the flap. It says what's inside: handle and hose, wand, vacuum pod, floor nozzle, crevice tool, upholstery tool, pet power brush, under appliance wand. So that's a very narrow wand to get under appliances. It says insert the wand into the vacuum pod, insert the handle into the wand, attach hose to the back of the vacuum pod. Now here we have the owner's manual. So this is going to have lots of safety instructions. And here again we have how to set that up. It says a cord holder. The switch has two settings, one for hardwood and one for carpet. It says there's a suction slider. We have minimum and maximum, brush roll indicator, cleaning modes. We have upright mode, lift away mode, above floor handle, above floor wand, accessories handle, accessories wand. You can remove the canister to empty it. Then it has filters there. This talks about the self-cleaning brush roll. This talks about checking for blockages. And here are the accessories, troubleshooting, and warranty. So here we have the hose. Here's the pet tool. Now this does not have electricity. The air flowing through it causes it to rotate the brush. Here's a cleaning tool. Crevice tool. Here's a wand. Looks like it's made of aluminum. Here's that under appliance tool. You can see it's very narrow. You could also use this to get under couches and things like that. It looks like all this packing material is probably recyclable. It looks just kind of like paper. It'll probably be easiest to look at these parts while they're disassembled. So here we have the brushes here. So you can see these little fins here. It looks like that's what's supposed to pick up the hair. And here are those flaps. They're like a fiber reinforced silicone and these really small brushes. On the front here we have rubber bumper, and this has LED lights also. On the back we have rubber wheels, and it looks like these can come apart to take this apart to clean it. Now here's the pod, so you can carry this around. It's not super light but not super heavy either. So the switch is here. This is the unlock for this part. And this whole thing will come off somehow. Let me look at that. I think that's here. I'll pull up on this. Yeah, and that whole thing comes out. And you can see the filter here. Then this will open up here. And it will open up here. So this is how you empty it. Okay. So I'll attach this to the bottom again. I'll attach this part. Now I'll attach the handle. The hose will go in here. And here we have the cord wrap. Okay, so there we have the vacuum put together. And we had onboard storage here for the wand and the other tool. And then we have the appliance wand and the pet tool are separate. And this thing will extend pretty long too. So this top here can be detached like so. You can attach a tool. You can also connect it like this and detach the whole wand. And you can attach a tool to it. So you can use this like this. You can also pop this off here and take this part on its own. So that seems pretty straightforward. So there are a million ways to test this, but I really just want to test out cleaning some carpet with this. So I'll do a demonstration of that. Okay, we pulled up quite a bit of stuff there. I'm guessing a lot of that is carpet fibers. This is pretty old carpet, so we get that a lot. Let's check the bottom and see if there's hair on it. Okay, so I'm not seeing any hair on here. I actually see some hair on the wheel. That would likely have come off and then been sucked up by the vacuum, but it's not getting caught on here. So that looks very nice. Now this was just a few minute test. It's hard to say over time if this will continue to not collect hair. But in my initial test, I think that helped a lot. We have a couple people in the house that have long hair, So there's definitely hair on the carpet. Actually, here's a little more here that got wrapped around this wheel. So that's the Shark Rotator Pet Pro upright vacuum. This looks like it's going to be a very versatile vacuum. If the brush continues to not collect hair, I think it's going to be really nice over the other vacuums that we have, because that's always something we have to maintain on it. We have to take it apart every once in a while and clean them really well. Now you can also take the pot off and go clean things. So if you want to clean a stairwell or some upholstery, or you could take this out and clean your car, you don't have to carry the whole upright. So I think that's going to be a real nice advantage of this over other vacuums. And as such, this could be nice for someone who lives in a small house or an apartment where you don't want to have multiple vacuums. You can just have this one vacuum to do everything for you. Now I like to have some corded and cordless vacuums. So if I have to do quick spot cleaning, I'll tend to grab one of my cordless vacuums. But when you want to do the deep cleaning, I don't think anything really beats a corded vacuum. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you liked this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.